Hey everyone, we are here in Greenville, South Carolina. We've got some amazing news. We brought in Justine and Massimo, and they probably have little things underneath their names where they work and who they are. We're putting on Unspam tomorrow, and so we flew all these people in, but there's another reason they're flying in, because we have a big announcement. Yeah, I want to let Massimo.
What is it?
Massimo's gonna tell you.
Oh, okay.
Go.
BeFree is acquiring really good emails.
Yeah!
Wow.
We didn't know about this till now.
All right, tell us why.
All right, so about, I don't know, a year ago, in January, I reached out to Massimo and I said, hey, we got a lot of good things going. Your team has got a lot more better things going on. And
Some really good things going on?
Some really good things, yes, I should say really good things. And there should be like a matrimony of these companies, because you've got a lot of resources that we don't have. We've got a community that's really strong into building emails. I feel like there's something there. And so you said, I love you so much, let's meet up in New York. And so we did, and what happened then?
So we did, and when he reached out, it made perfect sense, because maybe some of you are using BeFree.io, you know it's an email building tool, and before you start building, there's the inspiration piece. And many of you probably have been going to really good emails to get inspiration. So it just made so much sense to try to make the two work together even better than they are today for you. And so from a product point of view, we're going to start building integrations from really good emails to BeFree.io, so that you go from inspiration to creation in better ways. Maybe we'll throw in some AI in there to make things smoother. And we'll restart some content on really good emails, which you have had a hard time putting up because it was a side gig for you for 10 years. And by the way, we're celebrating 10 years as well this year, so another reason to match. And then on the community side, we're super excited to have Justine here, because she's going to take that one to another level as well.
Yeah, so when Massimo reached out to me about joining BeFree a little bit in the middle of all of this happening, he told me what was cooking. And that got me really excited because, well, I've been doing this email thing for a while. I remember when Really Good Emails launched back in 2014. It was a giant help to me in my career. It's been a brand that I've admired, that I've used, that has helped me, that has helped everyone in the community. I know. And then BeFree has also been a really well-respected brand that I've known about for a long time. And so that made so much sense. And then on top of all of that, like, I keep thinking about how so much of my career and what I've done in this industry is been able to rise up the voices of the people inside of that community and make their jobs easier, help them make better emails, get them the credit that they deserve, help them feel confidence in what they're doing, provide them with inspiration and resources. And so that's always been, like, not quite as much of a side hustle as Really Good Emails has been to you, but it's always been one small part of the job that I've always had. And so when Massimo said, hey, we want you to come here and we're going to do this thing and we want you to be a part of it and we want you to kind of help grow like these events and this content and all of these resources and help the community even more, I was like, that sounds like something I would really love to do.
Yeah.
So.
Yes. So we're really excited. Unspam 2024 starts tomorrow, and we'll do more Unspam events.
Yeah.
And then more content and Really Good Emails. The pro version of Really Good Emails will become free for everybody.
Yep.
Free.
And so that's exciting too.
Yep.
And I'm excited.
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
And there we go.
If you're not excited, which, why would you not be excited?
I don't know.
I don't know why you wouldn't be excited. But if you're not excited, or even if you are excited, I want to hear about it. We all want to hear about it.
Yes.
So I have a special email address. It's community@befree.io. And you can send me love letters. Don't send me hate mail. I mean, you could give me constructive feedback, but like make it nice, because let's be honest, I'm sensitive and my feelings are easily hurt. So yeah, please send me your feedback, your ideas. If you want to speak in the next Unspam, if you want to do a webinar with us, if you want to help us with anything to help, make the community better, to raise your profile, to get credit for what you need, let me know.
Community@befree.io. It really goes to Justine.
Yeah, it does.
Yes, not to us.
You can read them though.
All
I
right.
hope so.
All right, everybody. See you.